Hey guys, today let's make a better than Starbucks sugar cookie latte. Let's start by making our sugar cookie latte syrup. You're going to start with 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 can of coconut milk, which is about 3/4 of a cup. You're going to want to give that a stir and cook over medium heat until the sugars have just dissolved. Once your sugar mixture has all come together, turn off the heat and add in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of butter extract. Now, butter extract is completely optional, but it definitely adds a certain creaminess that I highly suggest. Transfer your completed syrup into a 16-ounce glass container. You can store it in the fridge for up to 3 weeks. If it gets a little bit thick because of the coconut milk, just shake it before you pour into your coffee. So let's start by making our hot latte first. You'll need 8 ounces of hot coffee, 2 to 4 tablespoons of the sugar cookie syrup, and top that with 4 ounces of the hot milk of your choice. Now let's move on to making an iced latte. Personally, I prefer my iced lattes to taste more like coffee than milk with a whisper of coffee. So to make it my way, you'll need a glass of ice, 8 ounces of cold brew, 1 to 2 ounces of sugar cookie syrup, and a splash of the milk of your choice. I often choose heavy cream because a little goes a long way. So let's do a quick cost breakdown. A grande Starbucks sugar cookie latte costs $5.25. To make a hot one at home costs me $1.89. If I hadn't used my Nespresso and used drip coffee, it would have brought it down to 71 cents. My iced latte cost me $1.76. If I had used drip coffee, it would have brought down to 58 cents. Kind of makes you want to start making your own lattes at home, huh?